Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna talk about what you can give people that you like but don't really like. Hi guys, so today I'm gonna share with you some ideas on what you can give people for Christmas if you are broke, if you don't really like the person. Basically just Christmas ideas for under $10. Some of these ideas are like $7 and some are like $12, but they're all around $10. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So the very first Christmas gift idea is bath bombs from Lush. So Lush is a great store, and I mean it feels kind of expensive even though it isn't. I mean they have like face masks for like 20, but all of their bath bombs are around 7, so they're super cheap and they're a great gift idea as long as the person has a bathtub. Yeah, so I have this one. It's super cute and smells super good, and this was 7, so super cheap, super nice, really colorful, and sometimes cheap things are like cute, but you can't really do anything with them, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is a great and cute gift idea that you can do something with. The next gift idea is kind of expensive actually, but when I last checked, which was this morning, they were on sale for only 12, so that's around 10. Yeah, Bath and Body Works candles. I have right now 3 and I love them. So this doesn't actually smell that good. This smells like a cookie, and this doesn't really smell that good either. But overall, I love Bath and Body Works, and since their candles are pretty expensive, when you get them on sale, people will think that you didn't, and you're like, oh my god, you got me such an expensive gift, but you're like, yeah. So yeah, like at least for me, I would be super thankful and happy if someone gave me a Bath and Body Works candle. Like I love Bath and Body Works candles, and they have like fresh scents, cookie scents, Christmas, fall. Like they have scents for every season and for every type of person. So I definitely recommend getting someone a Bath and Body Works candle. The next gift idea is super inexpensive, at least where I got these, scrunchies. So scrunchies can either be kind of expensive, I guess, if you get them from the wrong store, but where I got mine, it was literally just a random store. It had like a deal, so it was 3 for $8, and so scrunchies are a great gift idea because you can put them in your hair, on your wrist, or yeah. The next gift idea is perfect for anyone who has a Polaroid camera. Getting someone Polaroid film is like, that person will love you. Polaroid film is usually pretty expensive, so if you get someone some film, they will literally love you, as I just said. Why am I repeating myself? So this is a bit over 10 as well, but it's still not that expensive. But just make sure they have a camera. If someone gave me this, I would be so freaking happy. So Mario Badescu is only 7. If you get the small size, it's only $7, which is super inexpensive and so, like, just so nice. Mario Badescu is so nice, and like every person who watches like beauty gurus or YouTubers, they will love this because this is like hyped all over YouTube, and I have the green one and the rose water spray, like the original. I love both of these, and they're both 7. I got mine at Urban Outfitters, but I think you can get them like from anywhere basically. Really recommend it. Super inexpensive and cool. Number 6 is paperback books. Paperbacks are usually pretty inexpensive. These are all like 7 on Amazon, so I definitely recommend giving someone a book, and in my opinion, paperbacks are way better than hardcovers anyways, so I'll give you some book recommendations. These are my favorite books actually. So this is called Tell the Wolves I'm Home by Carol Rivka Brunt. This is amazing, and I think most people will like this. Then I have The Perks of Being a Wallflower. It's one of my favorite books ever. It's by Stephen Chbosky. And it's amazing. Pretty much everyone can read this, but it's a pretty sad book though. But actually all of these are sad. The last book that I have is my favorite, all of these are my favorite. The Sky is Everywhere by Jandy Nelson, and this is also one of my favorites. As I said, all of these are under 10, so they're super inexpensive and great to give someone who likes to read. The next gift idea is iPhone cases. So iPhone cases can be pretty expensive also, but I got this one from Good Vibe Cases, and I just went on their website and I think I found like an iPhone case for $5. Maybe I'm wrong, but I also found some iPhone cases on Urban Outfitters, and they were like 25 with like 20% off. So that's also pretty inexpensive if you're looking for an iPhone case. This is from Good Vibe Cases, as I said. Number 8 is a Sephora gift box. So I just went on Sephora's website and I saw that they had like these makeup sets with like a bunch of cute products for 10. I feel like that is such a great deal because you get lots of high quality products from like famous makeup brands for only 10, and you also don't get like one product, you get a few, and I honestly want this, so definitely go check that out. If you couldn't find anything that you liked, I definitely also recommend to check out Sephora's travel sized section. So they have a bunch of cool makeup products for a lot cheaper because they're like a mini size. Like when I'm standing in line at Sephora, I always want all of the travel sized makeup products because they're so cute and you can easily bring them with you and they're just great. So I definitely recommend checking out Sephora's travel travel sized makeup products. Last but not least, I found this really cute pencil set on Amazon. It's like a compliment pencil set, so each pencil has a compliment on it, which I thought was kind of cute. Maybe if you know that that person has been struggling a lot with like self-confidence, you can get them these and they will probably really appreciate it because it's like, you're pretty. Have a nice day. So those were all the gift ideas. I really hope that you liked today's video. It was kind of chill, kind of laid back, but I am on Saturday posting a huge gift guide video, so I'm really excited for that. It's going to be hella cool, so check that out if you want to. It will be up on Saturday, so stay tuned, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Also, I totally filmed this entire video without even mentioning my Christmas outfit. Oh my god. So I'm just like sitting here being all serious and I'm wearing a little Santa hat and an ugly Christmas sweater. Oh my god.